If you want to change the language for the browser and the keyboard in a Chromebook, you need to do a power wash. So that's a complete erase and reset. Look in the settings, is in the advanced settings right at the bottom. So when it restarts from a power wash, you will see this page first. This is the button for language settings. It's going to bring you to this page with the settings. On this page, you have, I'm in United States, Canada actually. You have the keyboard option. These are the option. Basically, if you choose your language, it's going then to give you the options for the keyboard. Now, one particular thing, and then you continue with the Power Wash installed if you want. Settings. Now, one particular thing you need to pay attention is when you select a language, be careful, because if you select something like Arabic and you don't speak Arabic, then all these settings will be writing in Arabic. So basically you will no longer perhaps find another language. It's difficult to understand which one is another language. Always go back to the top. You may find English at the very, very top.